Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about the most powerful feature of Excel Solver. For example, I have this data set and I want to achieve 7,000 profit, and then what I will do, I have to calculate manually all this, increase the uh, unit price and or the price or maximum unit, and I will get to 7,000. But there is a powerful tool in Excel which we call Solver. The solver is an advanced optimization tool in Excel that help you find the best solution to a problem by adjusting a different variable or different variable in your data. And it can be used in a lot of different area, like if you want to find out the maximum profit or the minimum cost or any other, the target or data, the target financials that you want to achieve, and what variable can you change and what are the effect on some variable. So without wasting any time, let's understand what solver is. So if you go to the data tab in your Excel, and you will find a solver right here. If you couldn't find it, you need to go to file and come down here in options and click right here errors in, and you will find Excel errors in, and you need to hit OK, go, and you will find all the errors in. There is a solver errors in, and hit OK, and it will appear right here. Just understand this example. A company sells 3 products, A, B, and C, and we want to achieve the maximum profit. What should be our maximum profit when our production capacity should not be more than 500, labor hour should not be more than 1250, and material it should not be more than 800 kg. In this 3 constraint, we need to find our maximum profit. Let's first understand how can we achieve a maximum profit when there is no constraint. What should I do? I should go to solver right here, and I need to reset it, and I want to click this cell. Okay, select it. I want to change this cell, total profit, and I want to achieve the maximum. The second option is the maximum, and by changing variable cell. So which cell I want to change? Like right here and select all these. I want to change this cell because I will get the profit by multiplying profit per unit with unit. And okay, and then you can do nothing. You just hit OK, and the Excel will give you a very weird data somewhere. You can achieve like this, but this is unrealistic. Now we need to change this again to 100. I think this was 200. 100 as well. So the maximum profit here, but if you see that the maximum unit is more than 500. So what we should do, solver, and then this is the cell, the maximum profit. The cells are the same, but now we want to add one more thing. We want this cell, this cell should not be more than 500. Okay, so the cell reference is this. It's equal or less than 500. And okay, now we add this constraint, and then here it get down all A, B, C to 0 and 500 for maximum unit. Okay, you keep solver solution or restore original value. We don't like this value, so we need to restore it. Then I want to get a specific data, a specific result. Here I want to achieve a 6,000 profit, and then I want to add everything, and here I will get, sorry, I at 600 store value 6,000 it should be. And now look at this, I achieve a 6,000 total profit, and with this scenario, like this results, I'm gonna hit OK. So if you can see this data, I am gonna use 114 of A, 287 of B, and 53 of C. This is just a scenario. You do not need to do that. Okay, and I should get a 6,000 profit. Now let's come down to our little more practical scenario. Our boss want us to forecast the income statement for June 2025, and he want the sale to be around 35 lakh, and the cost of goods sold to be around 7 lakh, and operating cost should not be more than 20 lakh. So what we can do to solver and just put the data. Okay, I want for this data, click here, and what's our achievement? It should be 35 lakh. But and I want to change these 2 cell. Okay, but I want this to be not more than 6 lakh. This other revenue. So I will add a constraint, and this should be equal or less than 6 lakh. Okay, and hit OK. Now if I hit OK, I will get the result of 35 lakh, and I'm happy with it. So this is our first problem solved. Now let's get down. I want to change this cell, its value of 7 lakh. and I don't want to put any constraint here, and hit OK. Sorry, hit OK, and you got the 7. It's equally divided, and I'm happy with it. Now let's get down to our operating expenses. First we need to reset it, and this time I want to change this data with the value of 20 lakh. Okay, by changing all these cells, and just hit OK. And here we have a little problem. It's equally divided everything. We don't want this result, so we're gonna restore value. Now to solve this problem, we need to already have some data, like we need to copy the previous data. I need to copy the previous data and put it here. Now we want to achieve our result. So what we can do is again click it, value of 20 lakh. Okay, and now select all these, and this time it should work, and hit OK, and then enter the result of 20 lakh, which gradually increase all the number like before. So we will get a correct information. This example, our boss wants us to project or estimate the balance sheet with the total asset of around 70 lakh. And if asset is 70 lakh and we have already our capital, which is 14 lakh 26,000, then our liability should be 55,96,828. So how can we tackle this problem? We need to calculate all this first our asset, but we cannot go to solver and select everything, because here also the total is also existed for every section. So I need to first extract this information everywhere. Okay. Then I will go to solver and identify my problem. So let's add these up. So as you can see, this it is around 5131 lakh, and which figure I want to get to this figure 7023. Okay, so now it's now simple. Go to data solver and just reset everything. Now I will select this one with the value of, you cannot here select value, so we need to type it, and then I want to change become this, and then I want to add some constraint that my case should not be more than 1 lakh. So my case should not be more than 1 lakh. Okay, and the rest can okay and solve. Now I get this data, and okay, now I should copy everything here. Is okay, and here. Now I get this liability. Now for the liability, I will do the same. I will first get this all data. Should be equal to on this. Oh, sorry. I just for the liability side, we should do the same. I've already copied this data here. You just need to go to solver, set it, and value. Yeah, sorry. Value should be 196. Get to it, and cell should be these. And I don't want to put any constraint. And I get the data. Now I simply need to move this side. Another, I think I copy one extra, and you get the data, and our asset should be equal to this 160 here. There is a little difference, but we can sort this out. And that's it. That's how you use solver. Let me know in the comment where we use solver and where you which will be very more useful than this? Let me know in the comment. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.